Hey everyone. So today I will be discussing on what should one consider while buying a pair of swimming goggles. Uh, there are many factors here, so let's go over them one by one. First and foremost thing is that it should be comfortable to your face. Every one of us has a different structure of the face and no one goggle fits to everyone. What might fit to anyone else might not fit to your face. So always check on whether that is the best fit for your face and then only buy that goggle. How will you check that? So here is a simple trick. Let me quickly grab my goggles. Okay, so these are my goggles. These are the lenses and these are called suctions, this rubber material. Okay, now I am putting this goggle with only suction on my face with no straps. I didn't wear that strap, so this is not, you can see, this is not coming out. This goggle is not coming out. Okay, it will come out after some time, but it should stick for some time on your face. Okay, so this is the indication that it is the best fit for my face. Now secondly, we triathletes spend most of our time in pools where we usually practice and few sessions for open water swims. So either get a goggle which can be used in pool as well as in open water, or get a pair of goggle where you have a separate goggle for OWS and another one for pool swim. Now goggles used for open water swims usually have a wider lenses as compared to the goggles used for pool swims. So that's another point you might want to consider and think of. I usually cheaper goggles has harder material around the suctions which can cause injuries to eyes and surrounding areas. So always get a decent pair of goggles which has a softer suction which feels comfortable to your face. Now, one of the most discussed and least understood part of the swimming goggles is the anti-fog system. Anti-fog system is available usually in almost all the swimming goggles these days, and it can be affected due to various environmental factors like pollution, dust, etc., which cannot even be controlled. So fog might set in your goggles after some time, but these anti-fog system works well if you are maintaining that goggle before and after usage or even practice. Like I will cover another video on this, how to maintain that goggle. But most of the anti-fog system works well if you are maintaining that goggle, and usually goggles that are priced higher have a good coating of anti-fog, and this is the reason that they are priced higher. Now lastly, also check on whether you will be using that goggle in, like sunny weather has a different lenses, foggy weather has a different lenses, etc. If you have numbered lenses for your specs, then you might need to get a customized goggle for swim. So this is everything about how to buy a swim goggles. Now one of my friend who is Aska swim coach has created a detailed post on this, and I will be sharing a link in the description of this video. So go check that out. And if you find this information helpful, comment below.